So what is going on, guys? It's your boy Sniper Clown. I'm here. I'm going to be doing a world record. As you guys saw my intro that I wrote that. Yeah, and it's just fucking beautiful as the day out in LA. I mean, not LA. I'm not gonna tell you where I am, but I'm going to be making the reaction video in a couple of minutes, so we should get right into it. So yeah, let's get into it. So alright, so we're right here now. As you guys all saw my other video on reacting to my old videos. Now let's watch on YouTube. Just click on world records.
Ever wanted to have your own world record? Of course you have. The idea of doing something better than anyone else in the world. 10 shocking world records.
Damn. Alright. I don't even know if
Number 10.
What the hell?
What the hell? Measured on the set of Guinness World
What the
Records
hell?
What
the hell is that? What the hell
of her eye socket. Kim was out with friends on a Halloween night out.
Oh my god, it's
She
creepy.
accidentally popped out one
Oh
of her
my
eyes
god.
her costume
Oh
mask.
my
In
god.
1997,
Leave a comment if you
Guinness
guys
World
think that's
Records
creepy.
found her, and since then she's
Please
set
tell
a
me.
record.
That
Number 9. Buried alive. A man from the Czech Republic,
Buried alive?
whose name I will not try to pronounce, survived 10 days buried underground without food or water. Connected to the outside world only by a ventilation pipe, he beat out the latest record for being buried alive, which was set at 4 days. He said the most difficult thing to endure during the feat was severe thirst, but the most challenging. Doctors who were hands. This is one of those records that
longest
takes several
fingernail?
decades to break, but Melvin Booth...
There's no way that's
made
how
the
long her
sacrifice and
fingernails
achieved
are.
combined fingernail lengths of 9.05 meters and 8.65.
That is
One can only wonder
crazy.
how on earth they do
That has to
day-to-day
be
tasks
fake.
such as washing dishes or even wiping their behind. But I guess that's something for them to worry about.
Oh my god, that
Number
has to
7.
be fake. What the hell?
Widest mouth. Francisco Domingo Wahim, aka the Angolan Jaw of Ore, has the
Holy
widest mouth in
crap.
the world. Hailing from Sambizanga in
See if I know
Angola, he
it,
can even
shit.
fit a Coke can sideways in his 17-centimeter wide mouth, which won him the world's widest mouth title at the Big Mouth competition in Rome, setting the new world record for widest mouth. After finding out that he would feature in the Guinness Book of World Records in 2011, Joaquim said it was a dream come true. Number 6. Heaviest weight lifted by tongue. Here we have a rather strange man.
Sorry about that.
Would dedicate 6 years of his life.
That's crazy. That's just crazy,
So that one
guys.
day he could hold a world record.
What?
Number 5. Stretchiest skin. Gary Turner of Great Britain is able to stretch the skin of his stomach to a length of 15.8 centimeters due to a rare condition called
Look at that
Ehlers-Danlos
guy.
syndrome,
Look at the
a
face,
disorder
though.
of the connective tissues affecting the skin, ligaments, and internal organs. The collagen that strengthens the skin and determines its
I can tell by her face,
becomes
though.
effective, resulting in, among other things,
She'd be
the loosening
like,
of the skin
what
and
the
hypermobility
hell
of the
is
joints.
that?
In more serious cases, it can cause the fatal collapse or rupturing of blood vessels. But for Gary, it's just a party trick, allowing him to carry up to 3 pints of beer using his skin as a tray.
Holy crap.
Number 4. Most straw
I've seen that.
stuffed in mouth.
I've seen
Simon
that
Elmore
before.
of Germany broke this record in 2009 by holding 400 straws in his mouth for 10 seconds. I wonder what else he could fit in there. A baseball? Perhaps an iPhone 6 Plus. How about an Xbox?
Yeah,
Maybe
right.
a whole beaver. In any case,
Okay,
it's
this is
certainly
getting
impressive,
retarded.
and yet somehow I wouldn't like genital generalized
Oh,
characterized by
okay.
excessive influence, has come to be known as the Iceman, as a result of his insane ability to withstand cold temperatures for extended periods of time. On January 23, 2009, he remained submerged in ice for 1 hour, 42 minutes, and 22 seconds to set a decisive record in the cold exposure category. Number 1. Heaviest weight pulled with eye sockets. Shane Holdgren of Australia, otherwise known as the Space Cowboy,
That is the
907
craziest thing
pounds
I've
on the set of an
ever seen
Italian
in my
TV
life.
show on April 25th, 2009. Holdgren holds over 30 different world records, such as the most chainsaw juggling catches on a unicycle, most swords swallowed underwater, and most targets hit with a throwing knife in 1
Alright guys, that has been the video. I'll make a part 2 tomorrow if you guys want, and yeah, so enjoy, peace.